Welcome. If you're curious about the electric cars coming in 2026, you're in the right place. The EV market is making huge leaps. Sleek designs, longer ranges, and ultra-fast charging are now the norm. The question isn't, can an EV work for me, but which EV is right for me? Automakers are finally delivering on years of promises with batteries that charge in minutes and performance that rivals supercars. The early adopter phase is over. EVs now compete on comfort, tech, and driving experience. Let's dive into the most exciting models of 2026. First up, the 2026 BMW iX, a bold vision for electric luxury SUVs. This isn't just another entry in the electric vehicle market, it's BMW's statement that the future of luxury is electric, and it's here now. The iX stands out with its presence, turning heads wherever it goes, and signaling a new era for the brand. The iX isn't just an electrified version of an old model, it's futuristic, with a striking design and a minimalist, high-tech interior. Every line and curve is intentional, blending aerodynamic efficiency with a bold, unmistakable look. The exterior's sculpted surfaces and signature kidney grille make a statement, while the flush door handles and frameless windows add a touch of modern sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional SUV. There's a massive curved display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. Sustainable materials, like olive leaf tanned leather and recycled plastics, show BMW's commitment to eco-friendly luxury. The panoramic glass roof isn't just for show, it can switch from clear to opaque at the touch of a button, letting you control the ambiance and privacy with ease. Performance is serious, dual motors, all-wheel drive, and over 600 horsepower in the M60 model, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That means instant acceleration and a thrilling drive, whether you're merging onto the highway or taking on winding back roads. The iX's low center of gravity, thanks to its battery placement, gives it a planted, confident feel that's rare in SUVs of this size. Expect over 300 miles of range and ultra-fast charging, 90 miles in just 10 minutes. That means less time waiting and more time enjoying the open road. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, the iX is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, with charging solutions that make owning an EV easier than ever. Adaptive air suspension and precise steering make it agile and comfortable, despite its size. The ride is smooth and composed, soaking up bumps and rough roads with ease. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the iX delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and relaxing. Advanced driver assist tech offers hands-free highway driving while the cabin remains whisper quiet. The latest safety and convenience features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist help take the stress out of long journeys. Inside, acoustic glass and meticulous sound insulation create a serene environment, letting you enjoy every moment behind the wheel. For a touch of drama, BMW's iconic Sounds Electric, created with Hans Zimmer, adds futuristic soundscapes to your drive. The customizable ambient lighting and immersive sound system transform every trip into a sensory experience, making even routine drives feel special and memorable. There's room for 5 adults, generous cargo space, and thoughtful touches like a self-healing grille and hexagonal steering wheel. The seats are supportive and spacious, perfect for long journeys or quick city hops. Clever storage solutions and a flat floor mean you'll never feel cramped, and every detail is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The iX is for those who want luxury, tech, and performance in one package, a true rival to Tesla and Audi. It's not just about keeping up with the competition, it's about setting a new benchmark for what an electric SUV can be, combining German engineering with cutting-edge innovation. It's expensive, but it delivers a flagship experience that feels worth every penny. From the moment you step inside to the second you arrive at your destination, the iX surrounds you with quality, technology, and a sense of occasion that few vehicles can match. BMW's iX sets a new standard for premium electric SUVs, blending sustainability, innovation, and luxury into a single unforgettable package. If you're looking for the future of driving, the iX is ready to take you there. Next, meet the 2026 Kia EV9, the electric SUV built for families who want to embrace the future without giving up the space, comfort, and versatility they need. The EV9 is Kia's boldest step yet into the world of electric vehicles, designed to make the transition to electric not just easy, but exciting for everyone in the family. The EV9 stands out with its bold, boxy design and sci-fi looks, offering real three-row seating for up to 7. Its presence is unmistakable, with sharp lines and a futuristic silhouette that turns heads wherever it goes. This is an SUV that doesn't just blend in, it makes a statement, whether it's parked in your driveway or rolling down the street. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both spacious and flexible, designed to adapt to your family's changing needs. The optional second-row swivel seats let you create a lounge-like atmosphere, perfect for road trip games, movie nights, or just relaxing while you charge. With generous legroom in all 3 rows, even adults can ride comfortably in the back. Built on Kia's advanced 800-volt platform, the EV9 charges at lightning speed, adding over 150 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a fast charger. That means less time waiting and more time on the road, making long family road trips not just possible, but genuinely convenient. Whether you're heading to soccer practice or a weekend getaway, range anxiety is a thing of the past. Family-friendly features abound. USB-C ports in every row keep everyone's devices powered up, while clever storage solutions throughout the cabin mean there's a place for everything, from snacks to sports gear to school bags. The EV9 is designed to handle the chaos of family life with ease, and with vehicle-to-load technology, you can power everything from laptops to camping gear, or even run a coffee maker at your next tailgate. The EV9 isn't just a way to get from point A to B, it's a mobile power station, ready for adventure wherever you go. Choose from rear or all-wheel drive. The dual-motor version is quick and confident, delivering instant torque for smooth acceleration and sure-footed handling in all-weather conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling snowy backroads, the EV9 inspires confidence behind the wheel. The ride is tuned for comfort and quiet, with a suspension that soaks up bumps and an electric powertrain that glides almost silently. Passengers can enjoy conversations, music, or just the peaceful hum of the road, making every journey more relaxing. Kia's Highway Driving Assist 2 brings advanced driver assist features, including automated lane changes, adaptive cruise control, and lane centering. These smart technologies help reduce fatigue on long drives and add an extra layer of safety for your most precious cargo. The infotainment system is intuitive and packed with features, boasting dual 12.3-inch screens that provide crisp graphics and easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Seamless smartphone integration means your favorite apps, playlists, and contacts are always within reach. Kia uses recycled and bio-based materials throughout the interior, proving sustainability can be practical and stylish. From eco-friendly seat fabrics to soft-touch surfaces, the EV9's cabin is as good for the planet as it is for your family's comfort. The EV9 offers luxury-level features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and premium audio, alongside ultra-fast charging speeds, all at a price that makes going electric accessible for more families than ever before. It's a game-changer for families wanting to go electric without compromise, blending practicality, technology, and style in a way that few SUVs can match. The EV9 is ready for everything from daily errands to epic road trips, making every drive an adventure. The EV9 is one of the most important EVs of 2026, setting a new standard for what a family SUV can be in the electric age. It's already turning heads at auto shows and generating buzz among experts and families alike. With the EV9, Kia proves that electric can be practical, affordable, and undeniably cool, making it the perfect family hauler for a new era of driving.